Hello everyone. Okay, so today I want to show you how to create a one-page website or how to create multiple links for your Instagram bio using Canva. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is go to canva.com and make sure you sign in with your Google account. Okay, so once you are there, I'm already in Canva. Okay, canva.com. Now you type in bio link website. Okay, so I'm going to pick a template. Yeah, I'll continue with Chrome. Please make sure you are on Chrome. You are using Chrome and not the app. Okay, so I'm going to pick a template here. I think I like the first one. You can use any template. Okay, you can use any template and just edit. So I'm going to pick this one. I like it. So this is what I would be using. Okay, now we can edit this to our taste. Okay, we can edit this. So I want to edit mine now. I'll use my picture. So I'm going to use my picture. You can use any other picture. You can use your picture. You can use your business logo. So I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to let me delete this one. I don't like to do that now. So let me craft this. Okay, so I'm going to edit it now. Okay, oh, nice. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to delete this. I don't need this. Okay, now so this is the link. This is the link text. Okay, so you are going to delete, you are going to edit this to your taste. So mine will be check out my service. Check out my services. Check out my services. I'm going to add my link here. I'm going to put my website link here. So you go to link, you can see that's a link. Then it will ask you to enter link. So I'm going to put in my link now. Mhm. Okay, that's done. So for this place, I'm going to put check out my YouTube channel, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to leave that. Yeah, chat me up. Chat me up. Okay, so for this YouTube channel here, let me put in the link. So I'm just going to go to link. So I've copied my YouTube channel already, so I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, that's done. Chat me up. I'm going to put my WhatsApp link here. Okay, so that will be okay. So that's that. Then the last one I'm going to delete it because I don't need it. So I'm just going to delete this and delete. Okay. Oh, mistake. Okay, so this is done. This is done. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do now is to copy this link now. Okay, so what you do now is click on this three dash line here. You click on it, you go to share, and you go to share, then it will ask you share link to edit. Then this arrow facing down here, you are going to click on this arrow facing down here so that you can have other option. So you say you click on share a link to view. Okay, so you copy the link. Now the link is copied now, so I can now go and paste the link on my Instagram bio. Okay, so let me paste the link and let me click on it so that you can see how it is. Okay, so I'm going to edit my profile now. I'm going to put the link here. Okay, so that is the link. I'm going to click on it now. I'm going to click this. Okay, so this link here, you can actually still short it using short link. Do you understand? So let me click on this link and let's see where it's going to take us. Wow, can you see that? So it brought us here directly. So now I'm going to start clicking on one of these service one by one now. So I'm going to click on check out my service first. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is nice. Sincerely, this is nice. Okay, so check out my service done. Now let's check out my YouTube. Wow, this is nice. I'm going to click on chat me up now so you can see that. Wow, so this took us directly to my WhatsApp. Can you see that? This is nice. This is very, very nice. So this is what I'm going to do.